All right, bringing Chesley back in now here at home. It is 11:18, Chesley. We are in the thick of, I don't even know what round this is. Is it 2 or 3 more to come? Starting to hear that roaring thunder overhead here in our Midtown studios.
Yeah, you know, we've had a couple rounds. So we had a round earlier this morning in the wee hours of the morning up here to the far north. That moved from the west to the east, and then another round came in after that. And now we're seeing another round that was back off into Alabama start to slide a little bit further down to the south. It's prompting some severe thunderstorm warnings a little bit further to the south of us now. We had all those severe thunderstorm warnings up here to the north, flood warnings as well, and we've had a couple tornado warnings up here as well. Now you see that heavy rain that's still pushing up there to the north, and we had that heavy rain down here to the south as well. So here's Douglasville. You got a couple lightning strikes there. The very heavy rain that's south of that leads into Chattahoochee Hills, and a severe thunderstorm warning you can see just south of that. And we're watching for these thunderstorms to move into this particular area, which can produce winds up to about 60 miles per hour, hail associated with these thunderstorms as well as it pushes in. That severe thunderstorm will last for Heard County, mostly Heard County. It does extend into Carroll County. This will last until about 11:45. You got extreme western portions of Coweta County involved in this polygon as well. So we'll be watching that. I think more will pop up as we head through the afternoon. Steady, heavy rain up here to the north. Look at this, where we've had those trains of rainfall moving through. Heavy amounts of rainfall. You're still dealing with it up here to the north from Higdon all the way down to Carter Cay, over Gilmer County, down into Lewisville, over toward Calhoun as well. Dealing with that heavy rain. It's widespread up there to the north. And so more of a nuisance for us this afternoon. This line will continue to slide further down to the south. Believe it or not, I do think some clearing will take place before another round comes in a little bit later on tonight. We're watching for the potential for tornadoes. A tornado watch from Floyd County all the way over into Banks County southward is where you're going to find this area that's highlighted. That is the potential for tornadoes, brief tornadoes to spin up. So that's something that we're watching for this afternoon. We started out with temperatures in the 70s, in fact, well into the 70s this morning, now down to 69 degrees in Atlanta, 66 over toward Marietta, 70 in Athens, but the warm spot so far this afternoon would be down toward LaGrange and Thomaston at 73. Now you notice back upstream, not much taking place there. That's going to be our trend behind a front that's going to push through the area. In fact, it's going to set us up for a very nice Mother's Day weekend, but it has to get through here first. And ahead of it, you got the storms in place. That's what we'll be dealing with for the rest of the afternoon. I should say the rest of the afternoon, at least through early afternoon. I think late, after about 3 or 4 o'clock, we'll start to see some of those clouds begin to break up and get some sunshine back in here before it sets. But you will also notice a level 3 threat for severe weather. That is an enhanced risk for severe weather, which means there's still the potential for some of these storms to produce some damaging winds, also that hail, and possibly some tornadoes. Here's how it plays out for us. We'll get that round through the area and gets out of the way. Once we hit 5, 6 o'clock, expect some clearing to take place. I do think we'll get a little bit of sunshine in before it sets, before more clouds roll back, and that'll be toward the midnight hour. Here comes that next line of heavy rain and thunderstorms. Could be strong to severe as it rolls through the metro area. This will be by the morning on Friday morning. So late night going into Friday morning, this line moves in, should be by us, or at least to the east of us by the time we get to the afternoon on Friday, and that front moves through and sets us up for that gorgeous weekend I was telling you about. 77 degrees on Saturday, Sunday 79. Both days we're looking at sunshine around. We'll hold on to it as we head into Monday with 78 degrees, and then our next best chance for rain doesn't come until Tuesday of next week. Guys, back to you.
All right, Chesley, thanks a lot.